Will a data certificate get me a job? If you're learning data analytics right now, you've probably asked yourself this question at least once. If I get a Google Data Analytics certificate or Microsoft PL 300 or the IBM Data Science certificate, will I finally get a job? The short answer is no. A certificate alone will not get you hired, but that doesn't mean certificates are useless. In fact, I think they are very valuable. You just need to understand what they actually do. Now let's talk about it. Every week someone sends a message to me, which certificate should I get? And sometimes they will ask me, should I take PL 300 or Google Data Analytics certificate? And I usually reply with another question. What do you want the certificate to do for you? Because many people expect a certificate to magically open doors for them. It doesn't work that way. Now, I want you to think about it. Imagine you are hiring a data analyst and you have two candidates. The first person has 5 certificates and the second person has only 1 certificate, but also built dashboards. He has cleaned messy data sets, he has completed SQL projects, he has shared his work on LinkedIn, and he also can confidently explain every project that he has done. Now, who are you going to call for an interview? Exactly, the second person. Now, here is the reason. A certificate only proves one thing, that you have learned something. It does not necessarily prove that you can solve business problems. It does not prove that you can do some things. And companies don't hire people because they passed an exam. They hire people because they can help the business make better decisions with data. And these are two different things. Now, let's look at a typical data job description. Most companies ask for things like experience with Excel, with SQL, with Power BI or Tableau. You can do data cleaning, data visualization, you have communication skills, problem solving skills, sometimes Python. Now, do you notice something? Very few companies say you must have 5 certificates, but they ask for evidence that you've actually used these skills, and that's the difference. So, if certificates alone are not enough for you, what should you do? Let me give you 4 things. The first one is to build projects, and that is probably the biggest one. Don't just finish a course. Apply what you've learned. Practice what you've learned. Download a data set. Ask a business question. Clean the data. Analyze it. Build dashboards and explain your insights. And that's what employers want to see. Not that you've watched 40 hours of video, but that you can actually work with data. Now, the second thing is for you to create a portfolio. It doesn't have to be fancy. GitHub, Notion, a personal website, even a LinkedIn features section. You can put your best work out there, because when people visit your profile, they shouldn't just see certificates, but they should see proof that you have learned some things and you know how to do them. Now, the third thing is to share what you are learning, and this changed my career. Post your dashboards. Write about what you discovered. Explain SQL concepts. Teach Power BI tips. When you consistently share your journey, people start associating your name with data, and opportunities will begin to find you. Trust me, I've seen this happen over and over again. And if you have watched a number of my videos, you would see where I shared real life testimonies of people who constantly showed up, who constantly are visible online, have made a lot of progress in their journey. Now, finally, get real experience. It doesn't have to be full-time job. Volunteer, help a small business, analyze data for your church, work with non-profits, take freelance projects, offer to build dashboards for people, because every real project that you do will only make you better, and every happy client becomes social proof for you, and every testimonial makes getting the next opportunity easier for you. So, should you get a data certificate? Absolutely, I still recommend them. They are great for building structural knowledge, they help you to stay disciplined, and yes, they can even strengthen your CV, but you don't have to stop there. A certificate gets your foot near the door, but your project, your portfolio, your communication, your experience are what help you to open that door. Now, if you're currently studying a data certificate, don't make the mistake of thinking the certificate is the finish line. It is actually the starting point, because you're going to learn, you're going to build, you're going to share, you're going to apply, and you're going to repeat. And that's the combination that gets people hired. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments what data certificates are you currently working on. And if you like more practical videos on building a data career, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.